Alright, today we're going to show you how to make foolproof biscuits. You begin with some heavy cream, about 2 cups of self-rising flour. Add about 2 to 3 ounces of heavy cream. Cut it in with a fork. Hope I'm holding this right. We're going to use the cream in place of any shortening or lard. And we're going to use whole cultured buttermilk. Once you get it cut in good there, you see how it balls up? That's good cut in. Alright, now we're going to add, now I don't know the exact amount of buttermilk because I always just add it till I get the right amount to get the consistency I want. And I'm hoping I got enough because I'm a little low on buttermilk. If I do, it's going to be barely enough, but we'll try. You notice I'm adding just a small amount at a time because you don't want to go too much and get the dough wetter than, because then you got to add a bunch more flour trying to dry it back out some. I believe we're going to have enough. Barely, but I believe we are. Alright, you see how the dough is becoming pretty much solid and sticking together in a big ball? That's what you're looking for. Now, you're going to have to add just a little bit of flour. I'm going to carry this back over here in the good light. Add just a little flour where you can handle the dough. Flour just keeps it from sticking to you so bad. Oh yes, we are using white lily flour, the only brand of flour to use. Now, you want to handle the dough basically as little as you can get by with. Too much kneading of it will make the biscuits tough, and we don't want a tough biscuit. Now, we're going to work it just enough here to be able to, in southern lingo, choke off a biscuit. Just a little more flour here. See, just choke it off. Roll it up there for a biscuit. You want to cook these, of course we already have the oven preheated to 450 degrees. We grease the baker. That's what that pan right over there is, where I'm putting these biscuits. this with organic shortening that is non-hydrogenated. It's Spectrum brand 100% organic non-hydrogenated shortening. The non-hydrogenated is very important because hydrogenated shortenings or oils are basically pure trans fat. Never use hydrogenated shortening. Never use margarine because that is hydrogenated oil. Very, very, very unhealthy. Always use real butter in place of margarine. Now, once you get that done, we're going to carry this over here and put it in the sink. Wash my hands off. You want to rub the top of the biscuits with just a little bit of oil. I like to use canola. Alright, we have our oil here, little Wesson canola oil. You want to just dab it on the top of the biscuit to smooth up the top, make them brown really good too. This particular recipe will make a really light, fluffy biscuit, but it will be crusty on the outside. It browns good and will have a crusty outside, but the inside of the biscuit will be really light and fluffy. Alright, now we just pop them in the oven, and about 20 minutes from now, alright, it's about time to see if these biscuits are ready. I believe they are. Looky there, looky there. Turn that off. Now, don't those look like they'd be very, very tasty to you? A little crusty on the outside, light and fluffy on the inside. Great biscuits. And that's all it is.